Hey everyone, it is InfamousMango and welcome to my brand new series of Minecraft plugin reviews and spotlights. And today I'll be reviewing the plugin called Item Slot Machine. This awesome plugin was made by Dark Blade. You can check him out on the Bukkit website. And yes, I'm going to get right into it. And yes, if you notice my awesome skin, it is pretty awesome. But anyways, this is the item slot machine that you get once you get the plugin, and you can build this by scratch, or there's actually a command to generate it, which I'll show you in a few minutes. So what you can do is go up to this coin shop sign and basically use the scroll button, and you can scroll to see how many coins you want to buy to use this. You actually need an economy plugin. It's really easy to get an economy plugin. Right now I have essentials working and I have a lot of money. It's over 9,000. Sorry I had to say that, but basically you can go up to the sign and you can right click. If I want to buy 2 coins, I can put the coins in my hand and I can go up to the machine and just right click the pop machine and it should start to work. You'll hear a ticking noise. You can configure this in the config file. I'll show you a bit later, and I probably won't win because the default chance is set at 1 out of 100, so that is quite rare to win, but I'll show you guys how to edit that later, and it pops up with the message that says try again. So that's how it works. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. It is not hard at all. There's very few permissions and commands, so that is great as well. So right now I'm going to show you guys how to be able to generate one of these item slot machines automatically. All you got to do is /slot generate and then pick a name. So I can go lol and it should spawn right in front of you. One bug that I find is sometimes these item display things spawn at the back right here, and there's no problem with that. All you gotta do is break these blocks and put the item displays on the front and fix it, and it will work perfectly fine. So right here we have our item machine. If you want some of the other features of this plugin, you can go slot to list all of the machines currently working on the server. You can go slot reload if you configure something in the config file and just want to reload it quickly on the server. You can go slot remove and then put the name of the item slot machine you want to remove, but I don't want to do that right now. And another cool feature that I think is really cool, you can add the permission teleporting to slot machines for your players. So you can go slot TP lol and you will teleport right in front of it. So I think that feature is really great as well. And you can edit permissions where people can edit the blocks and make slot machines themselves. So pretty awesome plugin. And if you want, you can go slot buy if you want players to directly buy coins. I can buy 4 coins for $40. All of this is configurable actually. And if you want to make the sign, all you got to do is put the sign down, square bracket coin shop, and make sure the C and the S are capitalized, and there we go. Works like magic, and you can just scroll through and buy as many coins as you want. So now I'm going to show you guys a bit of the config file and then later show you guys what happens when you actually win. Now this is the config for the plugin. You have a slotmachines.yml. You can open that up and it pops up with all the slot machines in your world and their coordinates of their item displays and their part numbers. Most of you will not edit this, but a lot of you will want to edit the config.yml file. You can open that up with Notepad or whatever you have, and you can edit the default pot size, the coin cost for each coin you buy, the amount of pot you add, multipliers. It's really self-explanatory. You can just read this. You can edit the amount of items or the combos you get on the item displays, and you can edit the chances down here. The ticking noise, if that annoys you, you can turn that off. I'm gonna make my chance 100 to show you guys how it looks when you win. The coin item, the effects, so pretty self-explanatory. You can edit this yourself. I'm gonna go ahead and save, and we'll hop back into the world and see what happens when you win. And really quick, these are the commands and permissions on the page itself. Giving someone this command to use it will be able to actually use the slot machine. This command will be able to give them the permission to be able to edit the machine. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Groups that have these will be able to use these commands. Alright, so if you want to know what happens when you actually win, this is what happens. So I'm going to put a coin in and we'll wait for this to work. Like again, I made the chance 100%, so I will win this time. Boom! Those were some awesome particle effects. It comes up with a message of the pot I won. And yeah, so that's basically the plugin right here. use the items emerald, diamonds. That's how much they're worth in the ecosystem. Economy system, pardon me. And yeah, and if you want to sell an item, all you gotta do is go /sell and the item in my hand, and this is with Essentials Economy, and I sold the diamond for $200. So that is the plugin basically. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I'd really recommend this plugin. Peace. Thanks for watching, guys. Please check out my other content, like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, and please subscribe.